Okay, so most of the time we face a problem in Python that what is the main difference between list and tuple. Today we'll try to see that. So here, as you can see, I am having a list. There are four elements. So here I am printing that list element. So this is before replacing. Then what I will do, I will try to replace the index number one position with 200. At present it is 20, and after that I will be printing it. So let me execute this one. So here, as you can see, before replacing, the values are 10, 20, 30, 40. And after replacing, the value of list 1 is 10, 200, 30, and 40. Because here, the index position 1 value we are replacing with 200. Now, if I want to do the same operation with tuple, then what will happen? So let me do typecasting of this list into a tuple. How we can do that? Simply, I will pass the list inside a tuple function. So now my list got converted into tuple. But what I am trying to do in the tuple index position 1 value, I am trying to replace with 200. And if I try to execute this, then what will happen? See, before replacing, it's a tuple. And in the tuple, I am trying to replace the index position 1 value with 200. But what it is saying here? It is saying tuple object does not support item assignment. That means list is mutable. We can change the values of a list, but tuple is immutable. That means we can't change the values of a tuple. So that's the main difference between list and tuple in Python. Hope you got this one.